Alright, hey guys, it's me, Maxxy Rainbow, and I'm back for another video. So today, you looked at the title, you clicked on the video, so you know that I'm going to be tooting and booting the looks from Season 1 of Dragula, Episode 2. I looked at the comments, I read them, and you guys really wanted to see more of this content, right? I'm totally not pre-filming this, because I'm totally not in the same look as my first episode, right? No. Yeah. I can see into the future. I can see that you guys are really gonna like this series, so you really want more. So, I'm bringing it to you. Duh. Alright, so this episode was very Glow. Does anybody watch Glow? They were challenged to design an 80s wrestling look and character. So I'm really excited about this concept. I'm literally like, I clicked film and I didn't even read what this episode is going to be about. I'm really excited about this because I love Glow, I love the 80s, and I'm so excited to see what people bring. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first up was Meatball, and her character's name, I guess, was Meatball Supreme. I really like this. This is campy, this is fun, and this is what wrestling is about. Like, I mean, my only knowledge of wrestling is Glow. But from Glow, what I have found is that they really want you to create a character and really go all in with that character. So whatever idea, whatever thing you're trying to sell, just bring it with your look, with your character, with everything. Meatball's name is Meatball, and so she went with Meatball Supreme, food, and her look is like McDonald's, like yellow, red. It's messy. It's definitely messy. It definitely is a bodysuit with fringe, but that's wrestling for you, you know? Even the headband, I don't know if this was like what it was about, but it's red with the yellow squiggle. Like, I'm getting like ketchup and mustard vibes. I'm loving this look. I think it's fun. So many queens, I think, on this have the issue of them really being stuck in, I have to be scary, I have to be creepy. It's like, the challenge wasn't to create a dead wrestling character. If that's how you want to interpret it, then like, do that. When that creepy image gets in the way of their look, it becomes a problem. She didn't let that happen, so I really like this look. I'm definitely gonna be tooting Meatball. Alright, so next up is Melissa Be Fierce, and her character's name is Kitty Cunt. Listen, it's fine. It's fine. It's just not like wowing me. It's very clean. It's very, okay, you're doing a person who's like Catwoman, she likes cats. It's so basic. Come on, that is so basic. Like, Meatball's thing is fun. This is so, like, it doesn't excite me. This doesn't make me, when I looked at Meatballs, y'all saw, I was so happy to talk about it. I was so excited. This I'm so bored with. It's a bodysuit with rhinestones on it, and she has cat ears. Okay, cool. Like I said, you want to be able to look at the outfit and go, that's the character. Your character's a cat? Oh. I mean, maybe that's something, but I'm not excited by this. So I'm gonna give Melissa a boot. So next up was Foxy Ajoué. I know I'm never going to pronounce that last name right. I actually think this look is kind of stupid and fun. The character's name is The Shit, and she's just all brown. She's just all brown. It's just so stupid, but I'm like, it's kind of, I'm like, I'm here for it, you know what I mean? I probably like make no sense because I just dragged Melissa because she didn't have like a creative character. But this is just so stupid and fun, right? Like, I don't know. And the look is nice. Like, it's different. It's a different interpretation of, you know, a wrestling outfit. I mean, there's only so much you can do with a wrestling outfit, but like, it's cool. It's fun. And I like the concept. I think the biggest thing about this is the concept. Is the concept there. I see the concept. I get it. And I'm laughing. Also, like, the performance aspect of it is really like pulling me in, you know? So definitely a 2. Alrighty, so next up is Loris, and this is what I'm here for. Alright, this is why I love her, because she doesn't get herself stuck in that, I'm gonna be scary, I'm gonna cover myself in blood and be spooky. But she made her character out of this world. So amazing, so cool, a polished look, and it's hard to take a bathing suit or a bodysuit and make it so different and so cool. And it's a simple bodysuit. You look at it, it's an orange bodysuit, but it's accessorized with that cool belt, and her skin is all green. She really committed to that. She really painted her entire body green. You immediately get this concept. She suffered from like this nuclear fallout, and she was like infected, and she's turned into like this alien sort of I don't know. I really, really like it. It gets me thinking, and it makes me like, it gets me like inspired to look at this. So definitely Loris is a toot. All right, so next up is Ursula Major, and oh, it's just not good. So her name is Saturday Night Beaver, and I think that's supposed to be funny, but I'm not laughing. And then I look at the look, and I'm not laughing, and I'm just not getting it. There's not an idea here. There's nothing. I don't see it. At least with Melissa, her name was like Kitty whatever, and she was a cat. This, it's like, ugh, okay, cool. Not really. I don't want to be that person, but it's just not flattering to her body. It just doesn't look good, and it's not exciting. It's not really provocative or different. You know, it's just not, it's not cute. So I have to boot it. Like, there's not much to say other than it's just not a look. It's not good. I get that she's going for like Saturday Night Fever. I'm like this 80s disco wrestler. It's not cute. It's just not good. It's just not good. I don't know what else to say other than it's just bad. All right, so next up is Vander Von Odd, and their character's name is Matadarling. And I fucking love the name. I love the look. It's very clean. It's very put together. It's like you're looking at her and like, and obviously like spoiler alert, she won. And you're like, this is a winner. Like the only people who have presented looks that I'm like, this person could win is Loris and Vander, because they're the only ones who's presented really like clean to the challenge looks. It's, you know what? It's also a really fun, different interpretation of wrestler. But when I look at it, when I see her performance, I'm like, I still get wrestling from that. Everybody's so quick to just go with, I'm gonna wear a bodysuit because that's what wrestlers wear, and I appreciate that she did something different. I love the prop of the little dummy that she brought out. Her makeup looks great. Everything is flawless. So I'm gonna give Vander a toot. All right, so next up was Xochi Mochi, and her character's name was the Lizard Queen. I kind of wish she had a different name, you know? It's just kind of
the Lizard Queen.
But I do really like this look. I love things that are colorful but creepy. I could totally see myself doing like, once again, this is something that makes me inspired. Like I want to do some like swamp queen. Maybe I'll do that for the next look. Write that down, Max. A swamp look. That'd be so cool. Yeah, I love this idea of like this swamp creature coming up from the lagoon to wrestle and in the 80s. And I love the reveal. It's like, you know, this cool swampy cape thing, and then she rips that off and she's still got a nice look going on. I love the makeup, and I love the like everything that's going up on her head. I think it's a really, really cool, creative, different concept. The outfit itself is like, it's a bodysuit, but she totally sells it for me. So definitely I'm gonna give Xochi a toot. All right, so next up was Frankie Doom, and her character's name was Pink Flamingo. So this sucks. This sucks. This really is bad as well. I'm disappointed because if you're gonna call yourself Pink Flamingo, I want you to do something that is divine inspired. Not just because you're wearing pink. It's messy, it's bad, and I think she did this last time where she has her boobs out and she has some tape on it, and then she has a fucking outfit that's just like basic, a basic fucking bodysuit. There's no concept behind it. At least with Ursula Major, her thing was, it was a funny pun name, the Saturday Night Beaver. Okay, I get it, Saturday Night Fever, and you're like an 80s disco girl. Like, at least I get that idea. Like, what is this? Why? Why? It's annoying, because this person's drag is just messy for the sake of being messy, from what I've seen so far. From the 2 looks that I've seen. It's messy, and it's just like, that's not exciting. At least it's not to be able to compete with all the other people. Like Vander, like, no, I'm not loving this. So definitely gonna be giving her a boot. All right, so my top 2 of the week is, yeah, I'm gonna have to go with Loris as well. I feel like I'm gonna have to be picking all the people that the Boulet brothers pick, but Loris did do really good. It was a clear concept. It was very obviously wrestler still. However, it was different, it was cool, it was creative, and it was inspiring, most importantly. And so that's why it's my top 2. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to comment down below if you want to keep seeing these, what else you want to see me toot or boot. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And oh, click that bell thing, I guess. I never have asked y'all to do that, but like, you should do it so you really don't miss out on my stuff, right? So anyways, guys, my name is Maxxy Rainbow, and I will see you all later. Goodbye. Mwah.